Today, we bring you the latest scoop on the all-new 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza, a compact SUV that continues to redefine urban driving with modern styling, smart features, and improved performance. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Brezza stand out. Bold new design. Maruti Suzuki has given the Brezza a fresh, aggressive front fascia for 2025, with a wider grille, sleeker LED DRLs, and sculpted bumpers. The SUV now sits on stylish new 17-inch alloy wheels and gets a dual-tone roof option, adding a youthful and premium vibe. The rear end features redesigned tail lamps and a more upright stance, enhancing its road presence. Premium interior and tech upgrades. Step inside, and the cabin feels more upmarket than ever. The 2025 Brezza comes with a floating 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a new digital instrument cluster, and ventilated front seats. You also get a 360-degree camera, wireless charger, and ambient lighting, making it a tech-savvy urban companion. Improved performance and mileage. Under the hood, the 2025 Brezza retains the 1.5 LK series petrol engine, now refined with mild hybrid tech for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. It delivers 103 PS and comes paired with both 5-speed manual and 6-speed automatic options. Expect an impressive mileage of up to 20+ km/L, ideal for daily commutes and weekend getaways. Safety first. Maruti Suzuki has loaded the new Brezza with 6 airbags, ESP, hill hold assist, ABS with EBD, and ISOFIX child seat anchors. It's built on Suzuki's Hardtech platform, ensuring better crash safety and structural integrity. Final thoughts. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza blends style, performance, and practicality into one compelling SUV package. With its modern updates and smart tech, it's set to be a top choice for city drivers and small families. Stay tuned to Bike Plus for more updates and reviews on the hottest rides of 2025.